Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best cooling pillows that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Snuggle-Pedic Original Bamboo Shredded Ultra Luxury Memory Foam Pillow. Expertly designed and tested for your individual comfort, the Snuggle-Pedic foam pillow is made with extra breathable, luxurious and soft vented cover that makes you have a great night's sleep. The pillow will contour your neck and head, giving you a proper alignment. In addition to that, it can offer orthopedic for support for back, stomach and side sleeping. This pillow is easy to wash as it is fully machine washable. This ultra-cool pillow will offer a soothing and cool sleeping experience, and you will be no more neck pain in the morning. The pillow is cheap and it's free from harsh chemicals. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Snuggle-Pedic Ultra Luxury Bamboo Shredded Memory Foam Pillow. We regard this cooling pillows as the best product overall of the bunch. The primary selling point for these pillows is not just the irresistible level of comfort it offers, but as well the amazing workmanship and the attractive design. Nothing can outperform the viscose of bamboo at breathability. The cover is micro-vented, making it extremely breathable. You are also free to adjust your pillow to match your desired size. All that's expected of you is to unzip the cover and shaping the filing. Who gives a 20-year warranty? That is absolutely incredible, and we must acknowledge the confidence of the manufacturer. It is hypoallergenic and dust mite resistant. At number 3, we have the Coop Home Goods Adjustable Fill Features Cooling and Hypoallergenic Gel. If you are a lover of soft, supportive, durable pillows that hold their shape, here you go. We've found a perfect match for you. The best parts about this pillow are that it allows you to adjust it by unzipping the inner and outer cover. You can then add or remove the fill to match your preferred level of comfort. Not all sleepers are alike. Eden Memory Foam offers personalized posture support known to sweep some into a deep sleep. They are not only comfortable but fashionable too. At number 2, we have the Sleep Restoration Gel Pillow Plush Cooling Gel Fiber. One reason why this pillow deserves to be part of your rests is the stylish design and support consistency. Inside, gel fiber has been filler and the outer gusseted so that it is comfortable and sturdy as it should. The gel-filled Fiber 1500 series gusset pillows are tough enough to prevent flattening while still delivering superb comfort. We recommend it for all kinds of sleepers. It is ideal for chronic neck and shoulder pain sufferers and still ideal for allergies, asthma. This admirable cooling pillow is worth checking out. It is a bit tighter than the lot, not just in terms of comfort and stability, but when a little extra style is appreciated too. And finally, at number 1, we have the Zen Bamboo Ultra Plush Gel Pillow. This cooling pillow is way above the rest in its class in many ways. The best part about this gel-filled sleep companion is the supreme comfort it offers. The super plush gel fiber has been purposely used for sweet, meditative sleep. The no-shift construction also lends to the stylish, luxurious and extremely comfortable design. You should worry about stains and marks or fading. This cooling pillow has been made defiant to all those, so you can keep on using your hair dye as much as you wish. The manufacturer was keen not to include allergens and chemicals so that whether you are asthmatic, allergic or has respiratory issues, it is still fit for you. To clear any doubts about the workmanship, there is a money-back guarantee within the first 30 days just in case it is not what you wanted. You should try out this comfy little device, it's a worthy offer. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.